Many people want to start their own business. And as aspiring entrepreneurs, we tend to believe that our idea is the best idea in the world. That as soon as we launch this new product or this new service, people will be craving, people will be running to the door to get this new product and service. And most of the time, this is not the case. You cannot guess or hope that people will actually be going to like your product or wanting your service. You need to do research first. You need to evaluate if your business idea is a valid one, yes or no. And the best way to evaluate your own business idea is by using Michael Porter's 5 forces model. So basically, Michael Porter has provided a way for you to quickly identify if your business idea is a good one or not. So the first force that Michael Porter has is barrier to entry. Basically, how difficult is it for competition or for other companies, other people, other aspiring entrepreneurs to enter this specific market? If the barrier of entry is high, then this is very good because competition will not be able to replicate your business, your type of services or products very easily. The barrier of entry is very high. If the barrier of entry is very low, then a lot of people can enter the market very, very easily, and thus the business idea will not be that good. The second force is buyer power. How much option does the buyer have? How much power basically does the buyer have? If the buyer has different options, then the buyer has a lot of options, which means that they have enough power over you in order for to choose another product or service. The higher the buyer power, the more difficult or the more you have to evaluate your business idea if it's a good one or not. The third force is supplier power. So basically, how much power does your suppliers have over you, over your business? Basically, if you are getting certain products, certain raw materials, or certain services from your suppliers, and you only have a handful of them, then they have a lot of power over you. But if you have a lot of options, then you can negotiate with them also because they also know that you have more options to choose from. So, the less supplier power there is, the better the business idea will be. The fourth business force is basically rivalry. How hard is the competition? How hard is the competition within this specific industry? How many competitors are there? How many years do they have within the industry? How can you take away basically certain shares from them, certain pieces of the pie in that industry? Rivalry within that industry. And the final force is substitution. How many different items or services or products there are that are equivalent substitutes for your product or service? So basically, if you are trying to sell coffee, then one of the substitutes might be an energy drink or a pill that you drink in order for you to get more energy. How many substitutes are there for your product and services? The more substitutes there are, the less your business idea will probably work because people have a lot of options to choose from. That's why branding your product or service as something unique is very, very important. So use these 5 forces in order to evaluate your business idea to see if it's a valid one, yes or no, before you decide to go into any new venture that you might decide. If you need more coaching or if you want to take one of our business courses, then go to our website at businesssuccess.com so that you can get one on one business coaching with one of our business coaches, or you can sign up right now for one of our business courses and learn more on how to start and grow your own business. See you next time.